Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Over here. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send to your Android. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you wish to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!